Home Canning, Guide 4. Selecting, Preparing, and Canning Vegetables and Vegetable Products. Guide 4 of the USDA Complete Guide to Home Canning focuses on selecting, preparing, and canning vegetables and vegetable products. It's essential to use high-quality, fresh produce that is at its peak maturity and free from disease or bruises. Most vegetables should be canned within 6 to 12 hours after harvest for the best quality. This guide provides detailed instructions for canning a wide variety of vegetables, including asparagus, spears or pieces, beans or peas, shelled and dried, baked beans, and dry beans with tomato or molasses sauce, fresh lima beans, shelled, snap and Italian beans, pieces, beets, whole, cubed, or sliced, carrots, sliced or diced, corn, cream style or whole kernel, mixed vegetables, mushrooms, whole or sliced, okra, peas, green or English, shelled, peppers, hot or sweet, potatoes, sweet, pieces or whole, and white, cubed or whole, pumpkins and winter squash, cubed, soups, spinach and other greens, winter squash, cubed, succotash. When canning vegetables, follow the specific instructions for each vegetable regarding hot pack or raw pack methods. Hot packing is recommended, especially for vegetables to be processed in a pressure canner. Salt can be added for seasoning, but it is not necessary for safety. Be sure to leave the recommended headspace in the jars and remove air bubbles before processing. Most vegetables are low-acid foods and must be processed in a pressure canner to prevent botulism. Always follow the recommended processing times and pressures for your altitude. Adjustments for altitudes above sea level are given for each food. For mixed vegetables, you may change the suggested proportions or substitute other favorite vegetables except leafy greens, dried beans, cream-style corn, squash and sweet potatoes. When canning soups, fill jars only halfway with solid ingredients, and cover with liquid. After processing, do not retighten the jar lids, and cool the jars at room temperature for 12 to 24 hours. Following the guidelines in this guide will ensure that you create safe, high-quality, and nutritious canned vegetables for your pantry. From fruits and vegetables to meats and seafood, you'll find all the information you need to create safe and delicious canned goods. Don't wait, click the link in the description below to get your copy and begin canning at home. If you found this video helpful, you can get your own copy of the Complete Guide to Home Canning today. We offer 3 different formats to suit your needs. First, we have the standard paperback edition, with a blue cover and non-color illustrations. This is our most economical option. Next, there's the hardcover version, with a red cover and non-color illustrations. This durable edition is perfect for long-time use or as a gift. Finally, we have the premium paperback edition with a green cover and full-color illustrations. This version offers the most visually appealing experience. You can find all of these versions on Amazon, using the link in the description below. No matter which version you choose, you'll get all the step-by-step instructions you need to can food safely at home. Happy canning!